Thank you so much. Ah, now wow, you really do this one, no. God bless you. Yes, I was there watching you the cake is so good and the cake is very big. We are there singing. My children was shouting, Mommy, see cake. I was so happy, me self, I don't even, I'm just passing that afternoon and I see it. I say, let me just support you. Let me come and sing our own birthday song. Thank you so much, my sister. God bless you. Ide finish. We make you vessel. I went to my friend's house and I saw her cooking igboka, and this is our favorite food. We don't use it to play. This thing that my friend is cooking is igboka. This is a dry corn and she grounded it, put onions, Maggi cube, ukpaka, our native ukpaka. I don't know the English name. I for tell you guys. So a lot is in this pot that you saw that she's turning now. This is a very, very, very good food in our country. And this food that you are seeing, it requires a lot of lead oil. If you do not add lead oil very well, you cannot enjoy. Like, it will not look good in the eyes, and the taste will not come out. Like, I was here watching her because I have already prepared this thing like 2 times in my life. So I saw her doing that, and this thing requires a lot of vegetable. To add a lot of vegetable, that will make it that igbawoka. So this vegetable you are seeing now is scent leaf and ugu leaf. So both of them is what she's using to prepare her own igbawoka. And you see, when you watch it very well, you will see that she did not cut it very well. Like, he just use hand and just cut it chamfer. You don't need to cut it small. But if you are selling it, you have to cut it small though, because when you leave it right this big, some people will not like it. You know, there's a lot of people that don't eat the vegetable that did not cut small. So because of she's eating it at home, she do it like this. As I saw her doing this thing, and she's the one that asked me to video her. Me self, I did not even want to video it because I did not even know that she's doing this kind of food. So she said I should video it and post in my channel. I was so happy. And she tested it. There is no salt. She have to add another salt. She add another salt and he started turning it. Turn it very well. Make sure that everything mixed together. That is what she's doing. Like, this food is so good. They call it in their own lamb side, like in their own village in Soka, they call it ayalaya. They call it ayalaya, but in our own side we call it ubohoka. In my own side, in Kano side, we call it ubohoka. So now she is trying to put it in the nylon and tie it and put in the hot water. She have already started boiling her water. You can see the pot over there. She's boiling the water. So that is it. That is it. Please, you guys should watch how she's doing it. You can see how she's tying it, and she's preparing this delicious meal in her shop. Yo guys, she has finished tying it. You can see how yummy it look like. So by this time, I want to go and pick my children in the school, and I don't tell her that I'm rushing home. She said no problem. That is it. This is the fun game me and my children are doing at home. You guys can see what me and my children are doing at home. We are doing line game. Anybody that will leave this line game without turning his face, we take 200 naira. And my children is resuming school, so I decided to wash all the dishes. I just decided to wash the food flag, the chicken bottle, so that they will be ready for school. So that is what I'm doing after we just finished playing the game. I decided to go and wash before it will be dark in my side. So this is me putting up at my omo. You can see I'm adding the water. So I'm started to wash everything very, very well. Here you can see the water is there. I'm putting my children's drink bottle. This is my children's drink bottle. So I'm adding it inside here to wash it all this to keep it ready for them for school. You know, it's very, very important to wash children's drink bottle to stay like every good day, because sometimes they will drink their water and remain some food inside it. Like, you know, drinking water and leaving water inside the bottle is not good. So it will be making it to be more inside. But me, I've already noticed that. So I always want to watch their film bottle every good day. Like I watch it every day, every good day. I watch my children feeding bottle. That is me, yeah. Watching the feeding bottle thoroughly. The kids have already eating. They just stand there watching me and making noise. You know, children with noise is one and two. Children love noise maker. So guys, you guys should enjoy the rest of the video. Like my mouth is done, it's now paining me of this voiceover. I'm just trying learning how to do this voiceover is not easy. It's not easy because sometimes you'll be doing this voiceover, you will not even know what to talk about. Sometimes you'll be just looking at your video, you don't know where to start. That's what is happening to me. But I say no, I will learn this voiceover whether they want it or not, whether this video want it or not, or whether so guys, please, you guys should enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop me a comment, drop me a thumbs up. I will really appreciate it if you please give me a comment and a thumbs up. Please drop your comment. Also tell me where you are watching me. Let's be friends, let's know ourselves. You're welcome to my live stream. As in, you are welcome to my video. That is what I'm telling about, like about voiceover, because sometimes we don't even know what to say. So this is me still washing the plates. Please, you guys should enjoy this video. Thank you.